Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you my membership plan first. In my membership plan, I will give you complete video tutorial on .NET Core, Dapper, REST API, Angular. Not only a simple video tutorial, I will provide you project-based video tutorial, real-time project-based video tutorial. Okay, I will give you complete source code video tutorial, so you got lots of projects in membership. So first start from .NET Core, C Sharp, DSA, Dapper, and you can say that it's a it's a roadmap of .NET Core. And if you want to learn .NET Core and APIs like RESTful APIs from scratch, you just join this membership. How to join this membership? That is the 800 rupees only for Indian user and $15 for other country user. So in this video membership, I will provide you .NET Core, Dapper, RESTful API, Angular, Entity Framework Core, MS Test Unit, .NET Blazor, unit testing, HTML, jQuery, CSS, SQL Server, and React-based video tutorials. Okay, so guys, it's a deal and study never-ending program. You get the videos unlimited time. Okay, so it's a deal. And 800 rupees, it's the cheapest price for this deal, because I will provide you lots of videos and lots of code. Okay, complete source code. Okay, so how to get this? Just fill this form: your name, your email ID, your contact number, transaction reference ID, order ID, or PayPal ID. If you are belong from India, just use this UPI QR code and pay 800 rupees. And if you are outside India, you can use PayPal, okay, and $15. And after that, you can mention your transaction ID, order ID, and PayPal ID. Okay, so just get this form link in your video description box. So must to check your video description. Okay. Hey everybody, today I'm going to teach you about what is the difference between new Angular and the old Angular. Okay, so I mean to say that what's the new in Angular 17, and just I want to check it my latest version of Angular. So I just open this directory in your command prompt. Now I want to check the first one is the NG version, that is Angular version, and the current version I think 17.3.2 is my latest version. But right now the latest version is 18 point, but you can consider it 17 is the latest version. Okay, it's more stable version, you can say. So I want to add both standalone application and without a standalone application. So first of all, I want to create a new application, ng new, and that is demo app. Okay, so that application default makes it in standalone application. So if you just create it ng new demo app, you just create a standalone application. So first of all, you know that which style sheet format would you like to use it? That is CSS by default I preferred. And do you want to enable server-side rendering? Server-side rendering, I mean to say that each and every request comes from the server. So, and static site generation also. So that is the new feature, but right now I'm not using here. So just use N. Okay. So that is the standalone application, and each component of this project is make it standalone by default. Okay, wait for some time. I will show you the standalone application. So folder is created right now, demo app. So I want to enter into it. So by using cd demo app. Okay, and now I want to use code space dot. Okay, just open it in Visual Studio Code, and you can see that here we have a src folder looking like an older version. And also we have a app component looking like an older version. So in a newer version, you just see a app.routes.ts. It's a default routing ts file, but you don't define the default route here. Okay, so you do not need to add default routing here, because that routing is actually available in app.config.ts file, And here you can see that here we have a const app configuration, that is application config. Okay, so provider is what? That is a provider router. And each component, like application component, you can say that app component.ts, and each component in newer version, and make it default, that is standalone. So in the ts file you can consider it, here we have a standalone application. That is true. What is the mean of the standalone? Standalone, I mean to say that in the older version we have a module file, but in the newer version you don't see any module file here, because in a module file when you upload only app component, but rest of the component is automatically added in older version. You notice that, because a module file is loaded first, so that Angular developer team decided, if you are loaded app component in browser, only app component related module and libraries and dependencies are loaded in a browser. So that is mean standalone application providing you a lazy loading features. Okay, so instead of the whole component and other component and other library simultaneously loaded with the app components. So that is this one. If you want to add a new component here, or it also make it a standalone component, like nggc, like categories test. Okay, so here we have a categories component, and that component is by default standalone component. So wait for some time, and it's created categories component, and you can see that in the ts file that default component make it a standalone component. So lots of problems actually have in the standalone features, because each dependencies must to add here in the imports directory here. Okay, instead of the older version, just I create a older version. You can see just I want to create the older version here. How to use how to create a older version application in Angular 17.3. So ng new, and app name is test app, and that is dash dash no standalone. Okay, standalone is no. Okay, standalone equals to no. And again asking me a same question, that is css, and no. So it's created a the module.ts file. You can see that here we have test app, src app, app.module.ts file. That is the older version file, and the same the whole things are the older version files. So guys, you know that how to create a standalone application. What is the benefit of the standalone application? Because the standalone application provides you a lazy loading features. Thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos. But must to join this membership, because I will provide you complete Angular latest version of projects. Guys, I will provide you latest version of Angular projects. Okay, like a bookshop project in Angular 17.3.2. How the routes work, how your HTTP interceptors work, and authentication, authorization. That whole features I will provide you in membership. Okay, so don't worry, guys. I will provide you best video tutorials. Okay, and complete source code. So hurry up, guys. Join this membership.